Hi, this is winner time schedule. So, how do you win every day? First of all, is that you plan ahead of your time. If you heard somebody say that I'm very busy, my whole day is very busy, and it's meeting and meeting. So, is that a productive uh, word? I'm not sure. Well, what I discovered is that if you can plan ahead with this, and it's something called a time boxing. You can research more. So I put it into a typical scenario there. So if you are a hired, you are working from 9 to 5, so-called 9 to 5, right? You travel somewhere between here from 7 o'clock until 8 something. So once you reach your office, you will check email, and after that, you got to start working. And don't forget to take a rest at somewhere here, and then you work another 1.5 hours. So here is about every slot is a half an hour. So this is 1.5 an hour. This is another 1.5 an hour. After that, you take an hour of lunch time, and then you may want to have another extensions. So some buffer for you, and then you want to check the email again. So that's another 1.5 hour. Then you rest for 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So again, there's a buffer there. Then you start working for the remaining the fourth part. So this is another 1.5 hour. So you check some email. So that's typically you rest at 6 o'clock, and then you say that's it. So then you just travel back to your home. So your travel time should be managed within around I don't know, like from 6 to 8. So that's about 2 hours. So including your dinner time and bath time. So now you reach home. That is about 8 to 8:30. So you can spend some time to learn something that is or learn something that you something new technology, such as picking up a new Excel function. I mean, if you know Excel function more, you can do things faster, and you can also teach others. So it's really benefit everyone. And if you can choose to learn, another thing is like communication skill, and then later on you can do some reflections, and you get ready to sleep. And the next morning would be the same. So that would comprise of your 5 productivity working days. On the Saturday is your choice. Right. So if you want to win in life, then discipline is something that is very important. And I suggest that I myself to follow this also. Not easy. It's a habit. You can start with some of this here. So now once you have this, so how do you work with this tool is that, well, let's say that your boss say I want to, so it's when you go for a meeting, right? I mean, you go for an interview, you want to ask the company how's the plan, like is the company always suddenly have a meeting, so that would jeopardize, I mean, they will interfere your plan. It wouldn't be productive. If the company says suddenly, let's say you want to work somewhere here, you want to get the job done, and suddenly the boss say, I want to have a meeting here. Suddenly the boss say, I want to have a meeting here. I don't care. You must do the thing. So there's always catching fire, so putting fire. So this kind of company, if you have choice, don't work with them because they are not uh, they are not good in time managing. Management have problem. So plan ahead. You really have only one, two. Each quality work takes about an hour to an hour half. So you can basically a company hire you to do four things. Okay, one, two, three, four, and then you go back to you go back. Okay, so in the future, more and more company will offer a flexible a hybrid. So maybe on Monday you work as you go to office. Tuesday you work from home. Monday you work from office. Thursday you work from home, and Friday so on. Yeah. So this that is possible. Work from home is already possible. And then the thing is that you need to be very disciplined, knows when you want to do work, so plan ahead. So maybe on the work from home that day, so maybe you schedule that the 2 hours here you want to send, you want to go and visit go for a parenting uh, talk or something like that, right? So, go to school to meet someone. You don't need to take a leave, but the thing is that you might want to say that, okay, since I'm going to take this thing here, so I'll schedule it. It's maybe somewhere here or maybe here. I want to eat lesser time and then I can get it done. So time in, time out is a pass. We want to hire by responsibility, hire by performance. What does it mean hire by performance? Well, yeah, this, as a management, you need to spell out your KPI. What is it that you want the person to deliver? So, for example, right within this week, you will get to complete this code, right? If you're a programmer, you get to this done, get this feature done within this break. So then after that, maybe you say I want to spend some time writing some code here, and after that some time coding code, and here I do some research, and there is a research. So yeah, so that's the thing, right? So sorry, this recording a lot of coughing. Yeah, time catching up. Maybe I didn't drink enough water or so dry. Anyway, if you have some knowledge that you want to share, just share it out as long as you know it's benefit to most people, and just share it out, right? So yeah, on YouTube, on TikTok. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. You can manage your time better. You can.